Market's still putting us under pressure, but here's a quick update with some quick fire trade setups for you guys for this weekend. Let's go. Let's start with BTC, higher time frame levels 107. You can see that's the VWAP support from the April lows, and then I've got 105k, also quite a big level here. If we do drop there, could be a nice bounce for us. Note 105k's got big support with the 200-day moving average and some fib action. Possible short-term long opportunities for BTC around about 108k and just above 107k could give you some bounce longs. Okay, let's look at these altcoins now quickly. The Bitcoin dominance chart shows two main areas where we could possibly reject, i.e. a possible alt bounce. These levels are 59.3 and 60.55. Look out for reactions there and look at these alts, look for a bounce in those types of levels. The USDT dominance chart has two zones that look like we could get a market bounce. One of them is right here in the current area. That's the 4.8% region, or if we pop through this, we're going to experience some market pain. Bitcoin's going to drop to new levels and the alts are going to get absolutely rinsed, and then we're looking for a reaction just under the 5% region. 4-hour RSI heat map shows these alts are getting into heavily oversold territory. We've also got dominance moving into heavily overbought territory. So from a timing perspective, we can see we are getting close to some kind of reversal. But unfortunately, if we get into these types of levels on these heat maps, we occasionally get one more flush out. So if you are looking for longs today of some of the levels I'm giving you, play carefully with your size. Be easy on the leverage, guys, because there's still a possibility of a second flush. Okay, quickfire altcoin setups. Quickfire degen long setups for some of these altcoins. ETH 3750 to 3,550 looks like a possible bounce zone here for the degens. Solana, possible longs between 192 and 184. If they really come and rinse us, look for a long at about 176 to 170. Both of these areas offer decent confluence, so we should see something here for SOL. Pump, I love this area here, 505 to 444, looking interesting to me. It's a high confluence zone, and we can also see the 4-hour RSI telling us we're getting some kind of reversal. Now HYPE, the first long zone is 40.6 to the 39 region. I'm really liking this area. Fundamentally, HYPE is still good, it's still making money, and I think when the market does eventually reverse to the upside, HYPE is going to get bought up pretty quickly. The backup zone for you is 35.5 to 33. If the market capitulates, look for a long in that region. Here's one more for you, Lido on the 12-hour I'm watching. Look for a long just above 1 down to the 96 region. Looking for a short-term bounce here. We've got great confluence. I've got trend, I've got fib, I've got the 200-day MA. It could offer something with this 12-hour also looking like it might want to reverse. Now guys, if you like this type of content, do 3 things for me. Number 1, like and share this video. Number 2, watch me trading these setups live.